Uh, Today I decided to share my thoughts on the gold. So by the way, this is the 1 hour time frame. Don't be surprised why I first analyzed, marked that and that, then I explain. I feel like it's a waste of time marking that and that, starting over with the video, which is going to take 15 minutes, 10 minutes of the video. So I decided to make things easier by just marking, and then lastly I'll just explain. So what we're looking at that right there is the gold 1 hour time frame. So you can see this is our substructure and then minor structure. This, what you see right there, is liquidity. This is the buy side liquidity. This is not a structure. This is not a valid structure. This is an inducement. Price created this first and then mitigate that area. This makes price to be strong, or this makes this 4 hour zone to be strong to hold or to push price to the downside. So my plans for next week are as follows. I want to see price sweep this buy side liquidity, mitigate this dark 4 hour zone. This area you can see here, this dark area within the 4 hour supply zone. I want to see price mitigate that. This is my Fib or Fibonacci area. So I want to see price mitigate that area, which is also the 50% of this 4 hour zone. So I want to see price mitigate that area by sweeping this buy side liquidity and not close above this high. Just sweep, reject, providing the displacement to the downside, and then a retracement, and then a mitigation to the other block or a VG, and then a continuation to the downside. So this area is just gonna be a short-term demand zone, which is just gonna take price to the upside a little bit, push price to the downside. So if you're planning to enter at this area, this is just an inducement. So price is just gonna come to this area, mitigate that, and then price gonna push to the downside. Where I think if price wanted to turn to the upside, what I think is that price will just come to this area, mitigate this, and then price continue to the upside. But by the way, price is not going to be doing that, because price is in a bearish structure. This is our swing structure, and this inside the swing structure is the minor structure leg. So this becomes our substructure leg, which is going to mitigate that and then provide us the minor structure leg, which is going to break below this area. So that is it for the next week. Peace and love.